Hello everyone. Continuing our chapter mensuration, which is very important for all the board exams for CBSE and ICSE both. Today I have brought the topic that is sector of circle. I told you the mensuration is that branch which generally deals with all the solid objects. And in the maths, if we have to solve the questions, first we have to understand that object. What is that? Right? So, first, sector of the circle. For explaining the sector of the circle, I have taken example, two examples. The first example, I have taken a pizza. Right? The pizza is in the shape of the, circular in the shape. Right? This is circle. Everybody has understood about the circle. So every circle has a center, and this is called radius of the circle, and this boundary of the circle is called as circumference of the circle, right? Like if one part of the pizza which is broken from here, or somebody has eaten this, then what this part is left, right? This is called the major part of the circle, right? Major. And this is called minor part of the circle, right? So here, this part which is bigger in size, that is called as major sector of the circle, and this is called minor sector of the circle. Clear? Now this small, which is minor sector, this is called as the minor arc, right? Each arc is making an angle at the center, that is called as central angle. Clear? And this is called as major arc of the circle. Clear? Right? So this part is called as, whenever you have to find out the area of this sector, so you have to find out this part area, means how much area is included in this boundary. But this is not a triangle, because this is radius and this is circle. Whenever this is triangle, so all the are straight lines, but this is an arc. So what we are saying sector is just enclosed within the radius, and within the two radius and an arc, that becomes a sector. See again another example, the same way here it is in the 3D shape. See, I've taken an example, everybody, cake. This is a cake. Whenever you are cutting it in this pieces, it becomes another, this is minor sector and this is major sector, right? When we are finding the area, means how much part is enclosed in that boundary. So this is major sector and this is minor sector, right? So minor and major, these are alternate parts of each other. So let's continue our examples in the implementation of solving the exercise. See, sector of a circle. Here this is a circle which I have shown you. Say O is the center, and as AB is the arc of this circle. This arc AB is subtended an angle of theta on the center, right? This is called central angle. Now, what is this? Region OADB. OADB is called major sector. This is the major sector, right? And this OACB is called as minor sector. And this is symbol of arc. ACB is called as minor arc. ADB is called as major arc. Now we have some formulas to how we are solving our questions. See, area of the sector. Area of the sector means one of the part you have to find the area. So we know area of the circle is pi r square, and this is the part theta upon 360. Theta is the angle subtended by that arc, and 360 is the total angle of the circle. So the whole formula becomes theta upon 360 multiplied pi r square. Now where r is the radius of the circle. Now length of the arc. The length of the arc means this arc length. How much length of this arc is this? You have to find out this. So as we know, this whole arc, the circle whole arc is circumference, that is 2 pi r, and again theta upon 360, that is the angle. Then where 2 pi r is called as circumference of the circle. Now third is area of sector. Again area of sector we are finding out wherever we know length of arc and radius only. So the formula becomes length of arc multiplied radius upon 2. This formula we use only whenever we have length of arc and the radius of the circle. Now some questions. Find the length of the arc whose radius is 15 centimeter and area of the sector is 30 centimeter square. As I have told you now only, wherever we have length of arc and radius, so we will use this formula. The area of sector is equals to length of arc multiplied radius upon 2. So area of sector we have 30 and the length we have to find out, and radius is 15 and the formula 2 is this. So you can calculate it by cross multiplying. 2 has come here, 30 multiply 2, L into 15. Now this becomes 30 multiply 2 is equals to L. Now a length of arc is 4. So the length of the arc is 4 centimeter. So the next question is this. This diagram is given here. The radius of the circle is given 7 centimeter and the angle subtended is given 60 degree. And this is the arc MBN and this is C. This is MCN. Major arc. So you have to find 3 questions. Area of the circle, whole area of the circle. Second, you have to find area of the region OMBN, that is OMBN means this part, right? And third is area of OMCN, that is major part. Now the first part we will solve like this. Radius of circle is given 7, angle that is theta which is 60 degree. We will use the formula, that is area of the circle, which is pi r square. Pi value we are taking here 22 upon 7 as it is easier to calculate because the radius is 7. 22 upon 7 multiply 7 which comes 154 centimeter square. First part is solved. Now the second part, area of region OMBN, which is theta upon 360 multiply pi r square. Here theta is 60 degree, which we will put here 60 upon 360 multiply the whole area already we have calculated in first part. We will put here, or either you can solve again, then it will come 25.7 centimeters square. Second part solved. And for third part, very easy. So this whole area of the circle minus this part, that is 154 minus 25.7, which comes 128.3 centimeters square. This is third part solved. Third example, radius of the circle is given 7 centimeter and the measure of the arc of the sector is, you have to find out measure, wherever 3 different angles are given. In the first it is given 30 degree, second it is given 210, and third is 3 right angles. 3 right angles means 3 multiply 90 degree, and you have to find the area of the sector in each case. So first, radius of circle, which is r, 7, measure of angle, that is theta, which is 30. Again the formula you will use area of sector, which is theta upon 360 multiply pi r square. This is 30, first case 30 degree angle, 30 upon 360 multiply 22 upon 7 multiply 7 multiply 7, which comes 154 upon 12 and which comes 12.83 centimeters square, which was the first case. Now the second case, the angle is 210 upon 360. You will calculate amongst yourself and you will find out 89.83 centimeters square. And in the third case, which is 3 right angles. 3 right angles means we will take 3 multiply 90, which is 270 upon 360 multiply 22 upon 7 multiply 7 multiply 7, which is 462 upon 4, which is 115.5 centimeters square. This was all about to calculate the area of the sectors. Today I have just explained only the area of the sectors. If you have any doubt and you have any query, please write down in the comment section. And if you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.